What's up, YouTube? It's your guy, again, another YouTube video. Today we are making slime. So I made some at my summer camp already, but I'm not using the same ingredients. I looked up this on YouTube, and it's air freshener and glue. So 2 days later, if you use white glue, you'll have white slime in 2 days. If you use clear glue, you have clear slime in 2 days. So I don't know if this works, so I'm just gonna try it out. So I have my slime. I'm just gonna go use a little air freshener. You need your tools. You need something to mix in, glue, air freshener, which I'm gonna get, and something to mix with. So yeah, guys, that's what you have. Those are your materials. How am I supposed to make a video and I don't even have the ingredients yet? I don't know. In my opinion, that is super duper duper super crazy. So yeah, guys, trying to find something I can mix with right now. So I have my mixing tool. Now I'm just gonna go get my, air freshener. I don't have any. Never mind. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm super sorry. I have pinky promise. I'm sorry. So, anyways, you're just gonna pour some glue. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Oh Lord. Gonna get sticky and messy in here. So be ready to get sticky and messy in here. So you're gonna pour all the glue you have, even if you have a big bottle. Use all. I'm not using all because I don't want that huge big of a slime. So yeah. They're gonna spray and then mix until you get like a texture of slime. Want to keep mixing until you get a texture of slime. Oh my god, guys, it's actually turning out to be slime. Look. If it's not good enough, you need to use some more air freshener, but I really never did this, so I don't know if I'm doing it right. If I'm not, oh well, that's a will it slime. It's okay if I don't make slime because at least I have this already. So yeah, I feel like now it's not slime. I feel like I'm just making stuff right now. Just wasted slime, wasted air freshener, and wasted my stuff. But I only did it for you guys, so you guys better be lucky and happy. So the person that made it, do not go look it up because they did not do it right. And if it does turn into slime tomorrow or something, I will be surprised and I will update you guys about it. It is not slime, guys, so please do not use this recipe. I thought it would turn into slime, but it did not. It turned out to be a huge mess, so it looks like I'm just gonna make an experiment of random stuff. I'm sorry, guys, if you did this right now and wasted your time on doing this because I didn't know. So you guys, I'm gonna put that in the title so you guys will know that I do not want to make you guys mad, so that's why I'll put it in the title. The slime turned out bad, and so now it's a will it slime. So don't use this. Don't try. I think it wasn't enough glue, or not. I put too much air freshener, so I know it has something to do with the slime. I mean the glue. Yuck, got glue inside. It's okay because I can always wash my hands. I got a sink. So I'm just gonna pour more in there. I might just make an experiment now. Experiments, I mean, because it turned out bad. It's just yuck. I don't think it's gonna be slime. I'm not gonna hope it's gonna be slime. I'm just gonna let it be. If God blessed me tonight with the angel coming in my room blessing it, I would be surprised and happy because my slime turned out how I wanted it to be. I got glue all over my hands, but at least I got a sink. Yeah, this is not slime at all. No doubt. This is not slime, so I'm not trying this recipe again. Let's see if I put water in it, it will work better. Because I think he put water in it too. So guys, I put a little water in it and a little bit slime came in, but it kicked out. So yeah guys, this slime recipe, does not work. I do not want you guys to try it. You try it, you're gonna be pretty mad. I do not want you guys to try this, because don't blame it on me. I didn't do anything. All I said was it didn't work out, so you need to watch the whole video before you do. That's one thing. I did watch the whole video. I looked at it over 100 times, I think. No, I think over 15 times I looked at the video to see if he was telling the truth. And this time, this proves he was not. So guys, it turned out pretty bad. So yeah guys, it was a waste of stuff. And yeah guys, so it's not slime. If it turns into slime tonight, I will update you guys tomorrow about it. And you guys see, wasted some glue. But anyways, thank you guys for watching so much. Please subscribe. My description below will help you out. I want you guys to know, do not do this. If you want to get really mad, this is the best place to get mad at. But I'm sorry guys, and yes, go check out my other video. I updated you guys on a prank. I was requested a prank, so I did a prank. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I did a prank on my sister. Didn't mean to turn it that way. Bye bye.